Hey there, I'm Richard Reed, but you probably know me as the HVAC Repair Guy. I've spent years in the field, and today I'm taking you shopping for air purifiers. We're putting two major brands head to head, Bissell and Electrolux. If you've seen my ratings, you know I don't pull punches. We're looking at two specific models, the Bissell Air 320 and the Electrolux Pure A9. Let's see which one actually clears the air. First up is the Bissell Air 320. This brand is a green rated pick on my site, meaning it's one of my top recommendations. The Air 320 is a solid choice from a brand you already trust for home cleaning. It's got 3 stages of filtration, including a true HEPA filter, and uses their CirQulate system. This system monitors your air in real time and adjusts the 5-speed fan automatically. Specs-wise, it covers about 366 square feet and delivers a clean air delivery rate, or CADR, of 247 CFM. It's reliable and backed by a pretty good guarantee. Now let's look at the Electrolux Pure A9. Electrolux is another green-rated top-tier brand in my book. The Pure A9 is their high-tech contender. It features 5 stages of air purification, which includes a pre-filter antibacterial coating, true HEPA, activated carbon, and even an ionizer. It's designed for much larger spaces, covering up to 630 square feet with a TADR of 340 CFM. It's smart, too. Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control it with an app or voice commands through Alexa or Google. Plus, it's quiet, ranging from 37 decibels on low to 58 on high. All right, we're halfway through. You've seen the specs on these two heavy hitters. Now, I want to hear from you. Between a trusted classic like Bissell and a high-tech powerhouse like Electrolux, which feature matters most to you? Total coverage area or the number of filtration stages? Pause the video right now and let me know in the comments section below. I read them all. Let's get back to it. Looking at these side by side, the Bissell Air 320 is great for standard rooms with its 366 square foot coverage and 5 fan speeds. It's straightforward and effective. On the other hand, the Electrolux Pure A9 is built for the more is more crowd. You're getting 2 extra stages of filtration, including that ionizer and antibacterial layer, and it covers nearly double the area at 630 square feet. The Electrolux also wins on smart features with full Wi-Fi integration. So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a simple, dependable unit for a bedroom or office, the Bissell is a fantastic pick. But if I'm reaching into my tool bag for the winter today, I'm going with the Electrolux Pure A9. With 5 stages of filtration and that massive 630 square foot coverage, it's just a more capable machine for keeping your home's air clean. Thanks for watching. Stay cool and keep that air clean.